Pau Gasol is officially a girl dad, and he is honoring his late friend Kobe Bryant's family by naming his new baby after Kobe's daughter, Gianna. The two-time NBA champion and his wife Catherine McDonnell announced the birth of their daughter Sunday on Instagram. Pau sharing this adorable picture showing off his new family and revealing his newborn's name is Elizabeth Gianna Gasol. He added in the caption, quote, "A very meaningful name for our super beautiful daughter." According to Dad, the delivery went well and the couple couldn't be happier. He also shared this photo of him and his wife holding their newborn's little hand. So adorable. Catherine shared the same pictures and revealed in her Instagram announcement that their daughter was born on September 10th, which is also the couple's second engagement anniversary. She said that they are already so in love with their sweet Ellie. And the new parents chose Kobe's wife, Vanessa Bryant, to be their daughter's godmother. Vanessa writing on Instagram that she couldn't wait to hold her new goddaughter and that she is touched by Paul and Catherine's request to honor her late daughter, Gigi. Catherine first announced she was pregnant in July on Instagram, predicting in the caption that Paul was going to be the best dad.